There are three factors that determine an image's exposure, or brightness: shutter speed, aperture, and ISO, known as the exposure triangle, where all have to balance each other out so the picture doesn't turn out too bright or too dark. Today, let's talk about the shutter. Shutter speed is one element of the exposure triangle, which consists of aperture and ISO along with it. The shutter itself is like a curtain inside the camera. It blocks light from hitting the sensor or film, but when you press the button, which is called a shutter release, it's raised to let light enter for a specific amount of time. The amount of time the shutter is open is called the shutter's speed. Most cameras allow it to be kept open for anywhere between 30 seconds and 1/4000th of 1 second. Using a fast shutter speed lets in less light, but prevents motion blur, which is caused by shaky hands and fast-moving subjects. Shutter speeds longer than 1/60th of a second usually require a tripod because human hands can't hold a camera still that long. Using a long or highly magnified lens increases the noticeability of camera shake and blurriness. A good rule of thumb is to use a shutter speed that's twice the lens's focal length. That means 1/80th of a second for a 40mm lens, or 1/400th of a second for a telephoto 200mm lens. If you are using a tripod, then a long shutter speed can be used in environments where you're shooting non-moving subjects.
Thanks for watching the AV Man. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share this video with anyone you think will enjoy it.